away.
Okay, we're here back at Cavalier Cards, busting the box of fresh gold standard football. Searching for gold.
Adrian Peterson,
That's a nice
injury
start.
waiting to happen. On the back we have Sammy Ball, number to 299.
I like the nice thick pack of inserts.
Adrian Peterson. Muhammad Wilkerson, number 299. Earl Campbell. Terrell Pryor, number to 299.
Other Raiders.
Roland McLean. I don't know. Randall Cobb.
Pack.
Number 1 in your heart.
Emmett Smith. Oh, come on, auto.
15 of 29. Not too shabby.
Not too shabby at all.
Now we have a Deion Sanders, number 1 of 25. So that's 2 pretty decent jersey cards.
Cowboys fans, eat your heart out.
Oh wow, this is thick.
Got a redemption. Check it out here in just a second.
Panini Gold Standard 252.
Ooh, Sonny Jurgensen
That
auto.
was Sonny Jurgensen autograph.
That's nice.
T.J. Yates.
Your starter right now.
He started this week.
Yates.
Yeah. And we knew Sammy Ball already. Okay, 252 on the checklist.
Drum roll.
Dun, 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 dun. Von Miller.
Von Miller. Not bad at all.
That's pretty studly.
Yeah.
252 RPS Gold Rookie.
Alright. Find these out. Get a good view of them all. Oh, yeah.
And 2 low-numbered Cowboy jerseys.
Alright, thanks for looking. Thanks for watching.